what are the different reports in your work center? Suppose I want to see how many work center I'm having in my machine. So this is used by your end user. What are the different work center? So they can simply go to CR05 T code. Okay. Okay. /n CR05. Okay. In CR05, they can provide in the plant. Okay. I know what is my work center category 001. I want to know how many work center are available in my plant 1000 with work center category 0001. So you can find this many work center has been updated over here. These are the list of your work center available in your 1000 plant. Okay. So this is very simple basic report by which user can have it. Now suppose user don't know work center category, what he required, that I have created some machine like PL. What is our machine? We have created plastic mold, right? PLS. Okay. So he remembers something starting with PL plastic. Okay. He remember only this, but he don't remember anything. So he can put star, PL star, and he can execute. So he can get the PLS mold machine. So this is something like that, a report by which user can define and find something. Okay. Some person responsible. Okay. So what we have created person responsible that day, P16 or something, B15 or something, right? 4, 5, 6. So I want to know what are the machines. Okay, there are machines in plant 1000 for which person responsible 4, 5, 6. Okay, 4, 5, 6 prompt. Okay, and let me try to find out the machines. So you can see assembly keypad, assembly this, assembly screen. These are the 5, 6 machines for which person responsible is 4, 5, 6. Okay, so this is the report by which user can find out the work center in a different based on different input criteria. Okay, clear? Are you clear with this report CR05? Now let's move.